Welcome to Dependable Flame, where we explore vintage petrol lighters, ashtrays, tobacciana, and other useful mechanisms. Make yourself at home. You are looking at a NASH Superior lighter. Appears to be enameled and engine turned. An automatic petrol lighter. It is marked NASH there on the post. Nothing on that side. And then on the bottom is marked NASH Superior lighter. So it doesn't have the country of manufacture marked anywhere that I can see. If I was guessing, I would guess Japan, post World War II, would be the era for that sort of lighter. Anyway, that type of lighter. I did find on eBay a photo of a NASH lighter that was in a box that the box also said G&S Manufacturing Company. So I don't see anything. I couldn't find anything about manufacturer. I don't see the lighter listed anywhere. My guess is I see several other NASH lighters, just not an actual origin place I can track it back to at least easily. See where the flint was stuck, and did not have to take this lighter apart from the top. The flint tube was clear by the time I got it. But obviously, at some point, that flint had hardened there on that flint wheel, or it wouldn't have left that mark that we saw a moment ago. Seems to be a fairly well made lighter, and it's definitely more fancy than most, with the engine turning and enamel, or I don't know exactly what those processes are. This may be some other process by which the color or designs were put on there. But anyway, a very nice lighter. The monogram slot is empty. It has scuffs, scrapes, wear, dings, dents, minor paint loss, scuffs, etc. Very snappy little mechanism. That tortoise finish to the enamel or whatever process that was. And then you can see the engine turning design there on the top. If you like these sort of old cigarette lighters, ashtrays, tobacconana, and other useful mechanisms, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video that you are watching. Those are both things that will help the channel immensely. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the share button and send that link off in email, text message, social media, however it is that you communicate with folks these days, and let them get a look at it for themselves. Comment below the video any questions that you have regarding this NASH Superior automatic petrol lighter, or any other questions for that matter. We would also appreciate it if you would like us across all the social media platforms. That would be Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, and of course eBay. We would appreciate it if you would like us there. It's going to be Dependable Flame or dependableflame.com across all those platforms. And like I said before, hit that share button, hit the like button, and the subscribe button, and those are things that are all going to help the channel a great deal. Until next time, Merry Christmas, everyone.